Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I just wanted to show you what my set looked like on. So as you can see, this is the die cut set. On one of my last jewelry tutorials, I had made this necklace and then another one I made the matching earrings. So I want you to see how that all came out. I love it. I'm going to move in so you can get a closer look. Also, I have fake eyelashes. I have some false eyelashes from Dodo Lashes. And I just did a review. So if you haven't seen them, go check out my review playlist and go check them out. And I'm just going to give you a close-up to see how beautiful they look. So there you go. Now I don't normally wear false eyelashes that much, just once in a while. So these are really good quality and they're extremely affordable. So I want to let you know that. Plus I have a discount code. So you'll just want to check that out. I'll link this below. I'll link that review below. Just wanted to give you a heads up. But this is what the jewelry came out looking like. These beautiful earrings, if I do say so myself. And I love the necklace. It's different, it's unique, and it's definitely a conversation piece. It's a statement jewelry, statement necklace, statement earrings. And what that means is basically wherever you go, if someone sees, they're going to be like, wow. You know, they're going to be compelled to comment. Because it's different, it's unusual, and it's very eye-catching. And I'm very happy that I created these. They're one of a kind. Nobody else owns them unless you go out and do that. So if you haven't seen my jewelry tutorial for this necklace and these earrings, go ahead and check those tutorials out. I just wanted to show you what they look like on. I love it. The colors are very vibrant. And again, the cardstock was very affordable too. I got it at Hobby Lobby. They have the purple, the black, and the silver. Now there's two kinds of silver. You want the silver that's bright enough. Okay, so that's what I got, and I love how it glitters and glimmers in the light. So go ahead and check it out. And I just wanted to show you what they look like on while I was all glammed up here for my review of the eyelashes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.